In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable spare change on Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, what the toggle means, and how to switch it with confidence. Spare change is a simple roundup feature inside the Rev Points or Rewards area of the app. When it's enabled, Revolut takes the small leftover amount from eligible card payments, think a few cents or pence under the next whole number, and automatically converts that into rewards. It's a hands-off way to build up perks over time without changing how you spend. Start by opening the Revolut app and heading to the Rev Points or Rewards section. You'll usually find it on your home screen. It may appear as a dedicated tile or in your shortcuts. If you organize your home page, it might also be tucked into the More area. Tap it to open. Once you're in Rev Points or Rewards, look for the settings icon in the top right corner. It's the small gear symbol. Go ahead and tap that to open the settings for this section. Here you'll see the spare change option. This is the control that determines whether roundups are active. If the toggle next to spare change is on, that means the feature is currently enabled and your spare cents from eligible transactions are being converted into rewards automatically. If the toggle is off, spare change is disabled and no roundups will occur. To change the setting, simply tap the toggle. Turning it on activates roundups going forward, turning it off stops them. If you decide to switch it off, the app will ask you to confirm that you want to deactivate spare change. This quick confirmation prevents accidental changes. Tap to confirm and you're done. A few helpful notes as you manage this setting. Enabling spare change won't affect past transactions. It only applies to new, eligible card payments after you turn it on. You can switch the toggle anytime, and your choice takes effect immediately. If you're watching your budget closely, turning it off can keep your rewards from growing automatically. If you want to maximize rewards in the background, keep it on and let those small amounts add up over time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable or disable spare change on Revolut. Open Rev Points or Rewards, tap the settings gear, find the spare change option, and toggle it on or off, confirming if you choose to deactivate it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you tailor your rewards to fit your spending style.